This is Mohawk-Garage. Today we're going to talk about a project that I've been working on lately. This is Miss Vicky, a 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. This is a sedan, and we've been doing research on this, and so we've been trying to value it. And as I've done my research, there are not very many four-door with the extra window in the back. So I assume that this car is pretty rare because I can't find another one to try and compare the value. So today I'm going to give you a little walkthrough, show you what I got, and show you what I did to it. All right, I want to take you all the way through this car and give you some information along the way. 1939 was a year for big cars, and we have another Cadillac at the shop, and it's huge. This is the Master Deluxe, so it's Chevrolet sedan version with all the bells and whistles that were available in 1939. Take in this front end. I mean, this grille is just awesome. These cars came with a straight 8 back in the day. Nice view there. This one's been lowered. It's got custom suspension. The chassis is spotless underneath of here. Back in 1939, this is what constituted for a bumper. We got some turn signals that seem to be at. This is an original 1939 grille. Showing a little bit of surface rust on it, but somebody could show that some love and bring it back. Got some vents down here to aid in the air circulation. Master Deluxe trim package here with the chrome and the Master Deluxe badge. Got the wing window. These mirrors are aftermarket. Wasn't even an option in 1939 to have mirrors. Little shot of the interior. See the side rear doors. Got some big old meats under the back. This thing might have been set up for a little bit of stoplight racing. It's got a manual valve body in the transmission. Got those big meats under the back. Pretty good sized tires. The old nice sized trunk. All finished out. It's all custom upholstery done inside of there. Chevy badge here on the back. The license plate light. Miss Vicky, she's been badged. Got dual exhaust. True duals. Now that you've seen the outside, let's check out the inside. All right, here I am inside of the 39 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. The interior in 1939 was pretty sparse, you might say. And Chevrolet was not the top trim level. Even though this is a high trimmed Chevrolet, it's still no Cadillac. So you've got your basic gauges here. Speedometer, temp, gas, oil, etc. Put a little picture in there maybe. And it's got a custom steering column in here There is a lot of custom to this car. V8 and rack and pinion steering and such that we'll get into here in a little bit. But this inside is beautiful. Velour, red and gray. Really nice. Headliner. Back seats, perfect. All the interior is perfect. Also custom to this car, got a dash top tack, probably for race setup, you know. Also got a CD player. It's got speakers down here in the kick panels on both sides. I don't know if it's got any speakers in the back, but fire extinguisher. Let's go check out the back seat. All right, now we're going to check out the back of this wonderful car. The suicide doors, this thing never gets old. Inside, we've got a very spacious rear seat. No problem back here with space. With the door closed. I'm 5'10", I got, you know, a foot of headroom up here. I got plenty of knee room down here. What I really want to show you is these windows. Let me see. This one might be a little easier to see on this side. Alright, so check this out. Just slide this guy back to open the window on the back. A rear smoker's window, or a rear vent window. That is so cool. Haven't ever seen that on any other car. And then to close it, you just slide it on back up there and it latches in. Really cool. The rear window just rolls down and up manually. She's kind of tight. Getting kind of dark in here. I was trying to catch the golden hour so that I could show you guys this car. But it took me a while to get my camera stuff together, so I may have missed the golden hour here, but I'm going to show you the performance side of this amazing car. I love this car. It is just so impressive. It gets looks everywhere you go. So here is the money shot. This is my favorite view of this car. So unique to cars in this era, and especially this one. It's with both sides of the hood open. Check that out. Got that bat wing hood going on. Now, under the hood, happy biker. Under the hood, we've got some upgrades. We've got a dual feed master cylinder. This is an upgrade for cars of this era, which would have had a single pot master cylinder, which meant that when your brake lines broke, you had 0 brakes. At least with this setup, you've got a proportioning valve and you have separate braking chambers in the master cylinder so that if one runs out, you're not stranded or, more importantly, wrecked. So like I said before, this has got a rack and pinion steering that's located quite a far under there. It's got power steering, of course. 383 stroker in this girl with headers. It's got looks like a stock intake, but it's got ATI. Got the chrome alternator, can't miss that. Got a nice shroud in the radiator. Got a turbo 400 transmission. Got an electric fan for backup in here. around neighborhood.